Testing. All right, vertex formula. So to graph this, we need it to look like this. This is our way we can quickly graph it. So what we need is a way to find the vertex. We already know the A. The A is always right there. So we know from this point we're going to go up 1 over 1 from the vertex to find our 2 points. But we need the vertex, and that's what this formula is. If you remember quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus blah all over 2a, it's right there. That's how you can remember it. And what that does is it gives us the x coordinate. So we take our b and our a, so we're calling it the same letter, we just plug them in. So this is negative 2 over 2 times a, which is 1. So negative 2 over 2 is negative 1. So we know our vertex has an x coordinate of negative 1. And then anytime you want to find the y coordinate, you just plug it back in. So that would be 1, negative 2. So that's negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. And there is our vertex. So this will allow us to graph it. We go negative 1, negative 4. And then we can take our a, which is 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And there is our graph. So even if it's not in this form, you can still graph it quickly by using the vertex formula. So let's try another. X equals negative b over 2a. And that's a, b, and then our c is 0. So it's negative 6. So negative 6 over 2 times 1. And that's 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Plug it in. And that's 9 minus 18, which is negative 9. So we go to 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right there. Perfect. And then we take our a, which is 1, so it's up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And there's our graph. It's pretty simple, right? It's a nice quick formula. So do one more with a number in front. So x equals negative b over 2a. So it's negative 1 over 2 times 2. So I had to show you one where we get a fraction. This is 1 over 4. So it's 1/4. So we plug that in. I keep putting a half. 4. And we plug it in, our calculator. And that gives us negative 3.125. And this is 0.25. So minus 3.125, which is 3 1/8. So we go to a 4th, right there, and then down 1, 2, 3.125. This is just a quick rough graph, and then from there we're going to go up 2, so you want to keep it in that same position there too, and then over 1 right there, and then up 2, and then that same position in that direction right there. So you see how it's in exactly the same corner, and that's what you want. Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and there's our graph with a vertex of 0.25 and negative 3.125. That's it. Give this one a shot, hit pause, and try it. And you should have gotten 2 and negative 13. Now there's not 13 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have a choice, is you can keep going and make the 13. Or you can just make every single one of them 2 and then rough it. I'm just going to go with the easy route and make another 3. Okay, so it's 2 and then minus 13. And then our a here is 3, so we go up 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1, 3 over 1. And there's our graph. And that's it. So you only need 2 things, vertex and the a, just like before. We found the vertex by using the h and the k, and then we use the a to graph it. That's everything.